Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've never been on here before. In today's video I'm going to be copying Addison Rae's makeup tutorial. So if you didn't watch my last video, then you probably wouldn't know how obsessed I've been with TikTok recently. Literally, that's all I do. And it's really hard on me for someone that can't dance. But I've been obsessed with TikTok, and I've also been obsessed with Addison Rae, who's all over TikTok right now. She's very, very talented dancer, but she's also so pretty. So the other day I was just doing some research, just stalking her a little bit, and I came across this video. Bam. Is it on the screen right now? And it is basically her makeup routine. So she actually uploaded this 5 days ago, so it's super new. I have not watched this video yet. I'm going to be watching it at the same time you guys are, and I'm going to try and copy it and do my makeup exactly the same as she does her makeup. I have no idea what product she used, so if I have the same one I'll try and use it. But yeah, I'm actually really nervous. I already can tell that me and Addison wear completely different styles of makeup. I personally hate wearing makeup every single day and like on a day-to-day basis. So if I am wearing makeup, it's like to go out. But I feel like Addison's makeup, just by looking at her Instagram and her TikToks, is really natural and pretty and girly. And I don't know, that's just not me. So I'm really scared. Okay, I'm going to start the video right now. I'm going to move over here to this side, and then I'll insert it here so we can watch it together. Let's do this.
Guys, what's up? It's Addison Rae. Why am I doing this? Hey guys, what's up? It's Addison Rae. I am back.
Imagine, like, just actually imagine having a song written about you. Like, that would be amazing. Okay, so first thing I'm noticing, she has her hair up. So hers is in like a low bun. So that's what we're gonna do.
Almost 100%.
Okay, she also has hoops in. So I'm gonna put some hoops in. Okay, my hoops are in. I feel a bit more... I still look nothing like it, but let's just keep going.
Looking at my products right here, and I don't think I use a single one that is the same besides a beauty blender and an eyelash curler.
So she just said she uses a beauty blender, which is great because I have one right here. So I already got that. Let's see what our first step is.
I'm just going to go straight in and start putting the foundation on.
Okay, so she goes straight in with foundation. I usually do my eyebrows first, but I know a lot of people do foundation first, so that's totally fine. I'm just going to play it out a bit more and see if she like shows which foundation she uses. Okay, so she just sprayed. Holy shit. Oh my god. My camera's like in front of my drawers. That was so dumb. Okay, so she actually didn't want a beauty blender. She just like sprayed it with Max Fix Plus, but I don't have Fix Plus, but I have Mario Badescu, so I'm just gonna spray that as well. Okay.
And I'm gonna go in with my foundation.
I'm gonna go in with my foundation. She didn't actually say what foundation she was using. She showed it on the screen, but I have no idea what brand that is. So I'm just gonna use a foundation that I have. I'm sure she does not use Maybelline, but we are broke girl over here, so we're gonna use Maybelline.
Just dabbing
it all over her face. So that is what I'm gonna do as well. So she's just applying her foundation.
So now that I just finished my foundation.
Low down. I just have to pause that because she went really fast. If you can hear my mum right now, I'm actually so sorry. Usually I kick like my whole family out when I'm filming, but my mum's actually working from home right now because of the whole coronavirus. I can't really kick her out today because like it's her job, you know. So I just realized this whole time I'm like covering my face. You can't even see me. I look really pale on camera. Okay, so I just put my foundation on. So far so good. Let's move on to the next step.
Skip right along a couple steps and go straight to bronzer.
Oh. Okay, bronzer. Usually I would put concealer on. I don't know if she's going to go back in and do that, or if she doesn't wear concealer. I feel like I need concealer. She probably doesn't. Okay, I honestly feel like I've never not worn concealer, so I'm a bit scared. I'm hoping she goes back and does it, but she skips into bronzer. I'm not sure what bronzer she's using either. Is that like a Kylie bronzer or something? I'm not sure, but she uses a brush kind of like this, just a bigger version, so I'm going to copy that. So I'm now going to apply my bronzer. I just did my bronzer. My makeup is actually looking fine. It doesn't look bad or anything. I'm honestly hoping by the end of this I look exactly the same as her. I'm totally kidding, we look nothing alike. Alright, let's keep watching.
I have a bronzer on, I'm going to skip right into blush. I take this blush stick. It's like a darker shade. I'm literally just going to dab it everywhere.
Okay, so I'm a little bit worried because I don't have a blush stick, like a liquid blush or whatever, and she's putting it like under her eyes, like right here, which somehow looks great on her. But I usually put like concealer there to like get rid of redness, and she's going in and putting red blush like right under her eyes. As I said, I don't have a blush stick, but I do want to copy this makeup tutorial kind of exactly. So instead I'm going to take this lipstick that I have. This, I am so nervous right now. Oh! Oh my god, I look like I'm at swimming sports, like for Pink House or something. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly blend this out so it doesn't stay on my face. Why does that look kind of good? Oh my god, I low-key love that. The only thing is I would put it like a bit lower just because I don't really like having blush up super high. I'm actually going to do that more often. It's so natural. You could, like, I blended it out like a lot so you can't really like see, I don't think, but
and then I'm going to just put this like everywhere else as well because I just like to. So I'm going to dab some on my forehead.
I'm scared again. She puts it on her forehead as well. Oh my god, this is like scary. I have never in my life put blush on my forehead. I'm full just trusting her for this.
And then on my chin. So that was...
And on her chin. Do you see that? I feel like it looks like I have eczema on my chin or something. Like a rash. Hers looks good though. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that for blush. I think I'm all blushed out. But I'm going to see what our next step is.
So now I'm going to use a more like pinky purple and I'm just going to do the same.
Oh. Okay, more blush. I'm going to find another lipstick because it's also another blush stick. I found this colour. This looks so scary. Oh my god, I don't know if I can do this. As quick intermission, I'm going to quickly film a TikTok. You should follow me if you don't follow me already. As it can be in behind the scenes of my TikTok. This is really hard to film a TikTok and do this at the same time. Okay, I feel like that's good enough. I'm going to quickly blend this out before it sticks on my face. Oh my god. So once again, she like put it right under her eyes. Okay, I feel like this was like a lot. Oh my god. Oh my god, it looks like I have a rash on my face. Do you see that? Okay, not gonna lie, actually I'm really liking the whole lipstick on like the face thing. It actually works really well. I kind of look like I have pink eye. But other than that, I feel like it looks really good. I honestly could not even tell you what it looks like on camera. But hopefully it doesn't look like I've broken out in like a rash because that would be really embarrassing. I'm now gonna keep watching and see what our next step is.
Obviously looks terrible. Now I'm going to skip right again into highlighter and I'm just going to take the middle shade and swipe it on my nose once.
Okay, she is now moving on to highlighter. She uses like a really white highlighter, which I actually don't like highlighter, so I'm going to use a really pigmented eyeshadow and just put it on my finger. Puts it on her nose. Oh my god, I look like a red disco ball. I'm now just like starting to realize how red my face looks. I look like I've just gone running.
I put it in my inner corner. Yeah, I'm done with that. So after I skipped around and did highlighter, I'm going to skip back around and do eyebrows.
Okay, that is all the highlighter she wears, just inner corner and nose. And now she's doing her brows. I feel like every single person does their brows differently. And her brows are really like thick, ones that she like spikes up, whereas I like really like sleek brows. So I'm actually really nervous to see how she does her brows.
Also, someone should take this away from me.
Okay, so she just uses like an eyebrow like little thing to push up her brows. The only thing similar that I have of that is this thing that I think I've had like since I was 10. So it's really old. So she does not fill in her eyebrows at all, which is crazy. I am honestly getting redder by the second. I'm not sure if it's because like the blush is like sinking in or if I'm like having an allergic reaction to the lipstick on my face. Like I don't think that's what lipstick is for, but like I'm actually concerned. Anyway, I just combed up my brows. Definitely not how I would do my brows at all.
Favorite NARS lipstick, and then I'm going to...
Okay, so she is now doing lipstick. I do not have her favorite lipstick. So I'm also going to put on some lipstick. She like doesn't like smooth it on. She like dabs hers on. Lipstick is on.
Spray my face one last time with this spray.
I actually hate doing this. I get so scared. Ooh. It went in my mouth. That's really disgusting. So she's currently doing her mascara, how she said it. I obviously have lash extensions, so I'm going to skip that step. She's all done. So the video only goes for 6 minutes, and that's her explaining it as well. So basically she does her makeup in less than 5 minutes, which is crazy, but she does hardly wear like any makeup, but she still looks so pretty.
And like 5 steps that everyone was mad at me for not doing, but it's okay.
Okay, so the video is finished. I'm gonna look at my makeup a little bit closer. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I really like it. Like, I honestly didn't think I would. And the weirdest part, I think the part that I like the most is actually the blush. It actually looks really good. The only thing I would think I would do differently is like fill in my eyebrows. This whole time that I've been doing my makeup, I've been filming a TikTok. So make sure to go follow me on TikTok if you want to see the behind the scenes. Okay, so I just filmed the TikTok. It's not very good, but oh well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked, make sure to give it a thumbs up and press the red button to subscribe. All my social medias and everything will be down below, especially my TikTok. I'm actually obsessed, so you should follow me. Thank you guys for watching. Bye! I ended my last week's video kissing the camera and I cringed out so much, so I decided to cringe myself out again and do it again. Bye.